at Walmart, guys. Look, these are real gourds. White pumpkins, $4.58. So at my Walmart, when they do this, it's on and popping. These are cute. Hey, my crochet fam. Hey, we can make this. That yarn feels like that I Love You yarn from Hobby Lobby. Has that type of feel to it. We can make this. Let's see if they have some decent floral picks. You got some for $128, but I got enough sunflowers. This is what I want. I want some pale, neutral colored leaves. How much are these? $3.98, $5, $4.98. I haven't seen any of that color at Dollar Tree. Normally they have every color I like. Hey guys, hey family, just made it back from Walmart. I go to Walmart at least the minimum once a month. So these are some of the things. I got a bunch of frozen foods. I got like frozen broccoli and kale and stuff like that. That's in the freezer. That's all I got. Then I got some hamburger, and everything I purchased was under $20. I got some hamburger, and I came home, put that hamburger on, and made some tacos. So I'll be having tacos most of the week. And then I always go to the yarn section, and you can get mainstay yarn for $2.98, $3. So I always keep that in stock. They were out of black, so they had more white in, so I got some white. And then for fall, you see these beautiful picks. And all of these were like $2.48. Got some eucalyptus bush. This is a eucalyptus bush. These are cute. And most of the time I get a lot of my stems and picks from Dollar Tree, but these are better. These are $2.48. Got two of those. And for fall, this is on trend. These neutral colors. What is this? A maple? Yeah, maple leaves bush. Got two of these. These are so on trend. You'll see these in the higher end stores. And then here, what is this? A eucalyptus bush as well in fall colors. So none of these were over $3, and they're nice quality. They're nice, and you get a nice quantity of them. They'll make a good arrangement. So I decided just to turn the camera on because I was at the table. I was like trying to see how I can use these. I would have loved to have gotten more, but I'm on a budget. So like here I have my dough bowl. So I just want to see how I can, if I could just do an easy centerpiece with what I have. Just like fluff these out. So we can start getting our fall decorating and just refreshing done. So I'm gonna just put that there. And I want those to hang out right there. I don't need that greenery. Do something like that. Let me take the greenery out for fall. We're just going to do all fall leaves. Fluff those out. That's pretty. And then put a big pumpkin here, or a candle, a pumpkin and some candles. So these are nice. That was just a, little rough idea how you can use these things. Okay, so just wanted to share with you. You saw the pumpkins that they had at the store, and they already have, fall sweaters and stuff like that. So just want to share with you what's going on in Walmart, okay? So I'm busy, guys. I haven't been posting a whole lot because I'm getting out orders. This is the summertime is when I crochet for the winter. And in the winter, I crochet for the spring and summer. So I'm crocheting, getting orders out, getting gifts ready. And so that's what's going on. Okay, guys, I want to thank you so much for tuning in and supporting my channels. And if you like my vibe, if you're new here, if you like my vibe, hit subscribe, join the tribe, and hit that bell notification to be notified the next time I upload any new content. Thank you so much. See you in my next video. Bye.